Brigands have run up these lanes. Keep to the side path. An incoherent jumble of organ, sinew, and bone. Remind yourself that overconfidence is a slow and insidious killer. A wise general cuts losses and regroups. Injury and despondence set the stage for heroism or cowardice. Slowly, gently. This is how a life is taken. Mortality clarified in a single strike. Gnawing uncertainty, the birthplace of dread. A time to perform beyond one's limits. The wounds of war can be healed, but never hidden. Compassion is a rarity in the fevered pitch of battle. Annihilated. Wherefore, heroism. Anger is power. Unleash it. How quickly the tide turns. Ringing ears, blurred vision, the end approaches. Unnerved, unbalanced. Confidence surges as the enemy crumbles. Success so clearly in view. Or is it merely a trick of the light? Death waits for the slightest lapse in concentration. As life ebbs, terrible vistas of emptiness reveal themselves. More dust, more ashes, more disappointment. This is no place for the weak or foolhardy. Many fall in the face of chaos, but not this one. Not today. The slow death. Unforeseen. Unforgiving. A trifling victory, but a victory nonetheless. Press this advantage. Give them no quarter. Be wary. Triumphant pride precipitates a dizzying fall. The sin is not in being outmatched. but in failing to recognize it. Dazed, reeling, about to break. Ghoulish horrors brought low and driven into the mud. Such a terrible assault cannot be left unanswered. The match is struck. A blazing star is born. True desperation is known only when escape is impossible. Perched at the very precipice of oblivion. These nightmarish creatures can be felled. They can be beaten. Singular strike. Inspiration and improvement.
His West quit fighting!
A dizzying blow to body and brain. The abyss returns even the boldest gaze. And now the true test. Hold fast. Or expire. More blood soaks the soil, feeding the evil therein. Another life wasted in the pursuit of glory and gold. Destroyed. Eradicated. Survival is a tenuous proposition in this sprawling tomb. A moment of clarity in the eye of the storm. Great is the weapon that cuts on its own. Seize this momentum. Push on to the task's end.
友達いっぱい。言い過ぎていっぱい。どこに向かって